Homemade air freshener. Creating a natural air freshener using baking soda is a simple and effective method. To make your own, combine half a cup of baking soda with 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil in a small jar. Stir well and cover the jar with a breathable fabric or paper lid, allowing the scent to disperse while keeping the baking soda contained. This homemade air freshener avoids the harmful chemicals often found in commercial products, making it a safer choice for your home. For customization, try different essential oils, such as lavender, lemon, or eucalyptus, to create a refreshing atmosphere tailored to your preferences. Baking soda in cooking. Baking soda has versatile culinary uses that extend beyond baking. One of its key roles is tenderizing meats and vegetables, as it helps break down proteins, resulting in a more tender texture. For example, adding a pinch of baking soda to marinades for beef or chicken can enhance tenderness, while sprinkling it on vegetables like broccoli can help maintain their vibrant color during cooking. Dishes such as stir-fries and stews can benefit from this technique. However, it's important to use baking soda in moderation, as excessive amounts can alter the flavor and texture of your food. Always rinse thoroughly after marinating to avoid any aftertaste. Baking soda for foot care. Baking soda is an excellent ingredient for foot care, particularly in foot soaks that help combat odor and soften rough skin. To create a soothing foot soak, dissolve 1/2 cup of baking soda in a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15-20 minutes. For a simple foot scrub, mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of water to form a paste. Gently massage this mixture onto your feet, focusing on rough areas, and rinse thoroughly. However, individuals with sensitive skin should perform a patch test first and avoid prolonged exposure to prevent irritation. Baking soda for hair care. Baking soda can be a valuable addition to hair care routines, particularly for removing product buildup that can weigh hair down and dull its shine. To use baking soda as a shampoo alternative, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 cup of water to create a cleansing solution. Apply it to wet hair, massaging it into the scalp, and then rinse thoroughly. However, it's important to note that baking soda can be drying, especially for curly or color-treated hair. Individuals with sensitive or dry hair types should use it sparingly and follow up with a moisturizing conditioner to maintain hair health. Baking soda is an incredibly versatile and essential ingredient that offers numerous benefits in our daily lives. From its role as a leavening agent in baking to its effectiveness in cleaning, deodorizing, and even personal care, baking soda proves to be a multitasker in every household. We encourage you to try out the various uses shared in this video and experience the advantages for yourself. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more valuable content. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy incorporating baking soda into your everyday routines.